Thank you. I'll start with the Integrated Marine Observing System, which we're a part of. So IMOS is a long-term national program to observe Australia's marine environment, and basically all the data is made freely and openly available via the Australian Ocean Data Network, which is where I work. So the AODN provides infrastructure to support the discovery and sharing of marine and climate data. We host and we manage observational data from IMOS and some partner organizations and deliver it to all kinds of users. And what we've been quite busy with lately is we're actually doing a complete overhaul of all of our infrastructure, our architecture, and data services, and that includes the way we manage our data workflows. So what are these workflows? Well, just very quickly, we get some data and some metadata from various providers. We apply some validation, we store it, and on top of that, we put some core data and metadata services. And then up front, we provide a portal to give a front-end service for discovery and access. And then we also do a bit of additional processing to create, to integrate and aggregate and create some more user-friendly products. So there's quite a few processes here that we need to automate and run on a schedule or in response to various events. Now, we've been running automated data pipelines for quite a while, and our current system has served us pretty well for the last 6-7 years, but it has some shortcomings. I won't go through them here, but basically it's not scaling very well to the range and variety and complexity of our data streams, which is only expected to increase. So for our new data workflow system, we're going to use Prefect, which is an open source workflow orchestration tool that will give us robustness, scalability, observability, and flexibility. Basically, it means we just write whatever workflow we need in Python, add a simple function decorator like the one at the bottom left of the screen. It just says this is a flow. That tells Prefect that it's something that you want it to manage. You can then observe it on the Prefect interface. You can schedule it. You can retry when it fails. And we can deploy it to any, whatever infrastructure we like. In our case, that happens to be AWS, but it could be anything else. The bottom line is it reduces our development and maintenance effort. Now, further to that end, we're actually using the commercial Prefect Cloud platform to give us more advanced features, software support, and a server we don't have to maintain. And here's a couple of screenshots, what the interface looks like. You get a nice overview picture of how all the workflows are running, and you can easily drill down, see detailed logs, filter them, etc. And a schematic on the right there of the main components. Basically, there's some Python code that we manage in a GitHub repository. During development, we run it locally or in Docker containers. And we can run up our own local Prefect server, but eventually we deploy it to Prefect Cloud, which orchestrates all our production workflows, pulling the code from GitHub and actually running it on AWS. And just that last little picture in the middle just shows that there's a whole range of other integrations available, so we could be deploying to Google Cloud or Azure. We can integrate various other kinds of tools. It gives us lots of flexibility. And thank you very much.